Yeah, he looked like a punk. Yeah, he looked like a punk. Then he told me, what's your name? I went up to him, punched him in the face, Glock 19 in hand. He went up, put his, yeah. Then I said, what's your name? I went in, 'cause I wanna be your friend. Hey, he went up and crashed. He drove in his car fast. Yeah, he went in his car. He tried to run away from us. Do you think he can run from us? Nah, we got a Glock. We stole his gun in hand. We shot the Glock in hand. Bro, we put that Glock. Bro, we shot him up. Then I said, I wanna kill him. So then we killed him. Cops went up, so fast. Push, the cops went up. We just killed the man. Yeah. Then he came up to us. He told me, hey, what's your name? I told him, what the? Yeah, I said, Glock 19 hand. So I shot the man, 'cause I said I got no bullets. Yeah, he said Glock 19. I said no. What the? Hey, what is not your name? 'Cause I wanna know your name. Yeah, I don't know it. 'Cause I didn't get it. But he thought he was cool, sucking on all of two. Yeah, hey, he got a magic, but you know we got that yeah. Hey, hey. Yeah. Hey. 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 Yeah. Hey. Give me your money or I bet you cannot deliver nothing or I will do justice. Yeah. I just do that. Yeah. I just wanna do that. Then he came up to us. We put him in our van. Yeah, he was